In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an AI agent with Gemini in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a novice or have some experience with AI, this process is intuitive and straightforward. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, the journey begins with opening Gemini. Think of Gemini as your creative playground where you'll breathe life into your AI agent. So, locate the application and launch it on your device. Once opened, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if it's your first time. It's user-friendly, so you'll likely find it quite easy to navigate. Once you have Gemini open, the next step is to start a new chat. This is where the magic begins. By opening a new chat, you create an environment to sculpt your AI's personality and functionalities. Simply look for the chat icon or command and select it. It's similar to opening a new document where you'll have a fresh slate ready to input your ideas. Now that you're in a new chat, it's time to give your AI agent a persona and task focus. This is a creative step as you tailor your AI to fulfill specific roles. Do you want it to be a helpful customer service representative or a witty conversationalist? Decide on a persona that aligns with your needs or goals. Consider what tasks the agent should focus on, perhaps answering FAQs, scheduling, or providing information about a particular topic. Setting a clear persona and focus sets the foundation for how your AI will interact and assist users. After defining the persona, it's time to type in your initial prompt. This prompt will serve as the starting point for your AI agent's capabilities. Think carefully about what you want it to achieve. Provide clear instructions or questions that guide the AI's responses effectively. The more detailed your prompt, the better your AI will understand and execute the task. This initial input is crucial, as it influences how the bot will perform its designated role. Finally, don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions if needed. After the AI processes your initial prompt, it might require some refining. Feel free to engage in an interactive back and forth to fine-tune its responses and ensure it meets your expectations. This iterative process allows you to adapt and optimize your AI agent's functionality, making it a more versatile and effective tool. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've created an AI agent using Gemini. This process allows you to tap into AI's potential for various applications, whether for business, educational, or personal purposes. Thank you for taking this quick journey with me, and I hope it empowers you to explore AI's exciting capabilities further.